going on? My name's JR, you know what I'm saying? This is my 2008 Dodge Charger or whatnot. She came in black. John got me right. Promise you, man, he the best mechanic in town that I know of right now. He's killing it, yo. He got me right for the summer right now, whatnot. You know what I'm saying? I mean, his price reasonable. He work with you on your budget, you know what I'm saying, whatnot. You know what I'm saying? He got the insides done for me right here. His guts. I mean, all this is all factory. He changed all that. I got the Oscars on the inside or whatnot. She's sitting on some 26s right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, tighten me up in the front. You got the little iPad up in there or whatnot. Slide down. I got tired of CDs, so I just went with the iPad so I can just drop up in there, download what I want to hear. I mean, I went with the orange, light purple, or whatnot. I mean, John killing them right now. I ain't gonna lie, hands down. I give it to my man John's Restoration. I mean, I got my sister coming, whatever. Me and her trying to, you know what I'm saying, blow it up for the summer. I ain't the only one that's gonna be stunting. She in it too.
Alright, that's my man Junior. Y'all see him. He got the Charger riding quarter panel to quarter panel. Y'all see it, all paint. This is how they doing now. My son Tay Ski came out with the one that's Hawaiian Punch, just in case y'all get it mixed up. And this Finding Nemo right here. John's Restoration 757-713-2277. See, we got his little sister Betty Boo pulling up. Y'all see how the family doing with the Chargers. Y'all see him. Oh yeah.
No ifs, ands, up, go, 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 go. Behind your back like nunchucks, and that's huffed up. But my whole down, my cups up.
We did her interior as well.
She blowing kisses at me with her dip.
She got the door locked, but y'all see that alligator in there.
Now look at us.
John Restoration, y'all know we got that logo. Again, my contact number 757-713-2277. Give us a call. And we get ready to do hers now, quarter panel to quarter panel. John Restoration, y'all know how we do. And remember, I got that 24-foot enclosed trailer. I hop in the truck, start the dually up, come get your vehicle. Give me a call or either email me, johnsrestoration@aol.com. And remember, we not just custom, we also do insurance claims. Good day.